Hiccup problem. A new day begins at Pine Tree Kindergarten. Let's see what's in store for all of our students.
Good morning, Miss Olivia.
Good morning, children. Today is a special day. Do you remember why?
What day is it?
Oh, I know. Today's the open house for our school. All the moms and dads get to come visit.
And we're all going to put on a show. Briar and Bramble are right. But before your parents arrive, I think it's a good idea to do some cleaning. Children, what do you think?
All right! It's a butterfly. Butterfly,
Bramble.
come back. Autumn. When's Tiki? I picked up all the branches and leaves.
Huh? That was fast. I'll spit out the sand. Looks like we're done here.
All the cleaning is done.
Briar.
Huh?
Here, have an apple.
Thank you, bro.
Briar, Bramble, come on, we're practicing.
Coming. Briar, hurry up and eat.
Briar, Bramble, get over here. We're waiting for you.
We're coming.
Wait up! Don't start yet. Okay.
Everyone ready? Get set. Who's doing that? Is it you?
When's Tiki? It wasn't me. It's not me. So it was you, bro.
Briar!
Don't worry. It won't be a problem.
Huh? This won't do. What if you had the hiccups during the show, Briar? Try to hold it in.
You know, I heard once that if you drink water, the hiccups will stop.
Really? I'll go get some. I have water. Drink up. Briar! Briar, you should drink it all. What if you hiccup when the show starts? Briar, come on! Briar, come on!
Wow!
He did it! Okay, how do you feel?
Are they gone? I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Well then, looks like we need something else.
Huh? Where'd everyone go? What are you guys doing?
How do you feel? You were so scared. It should cure your hiccups.
Oh, hey, I think they're gone.
Hey, Briar, maybe try holding your breath. And then, since you're not breathing, you won't be able to hiccup. Just like this.
Okay, I'll try.
Come on! I can't breathe. Briar, you can do it. Come on, Briar! I guess that didn't work either.
Maybe you have hiccups because you have too much air in your stomach. Briar, you need to do a handstand. By doing that, you'll be upside down and all the air will come out.
Briar, you need to open your mouth. That way, all the air in your stomach can come out. You guys, none of the stuff we tried is working.
The parents are coming. How was the rehearsal?
We haven't even started it. Briar has the hiccups.
Hiccups? get rid of the hiccups?
Yeah? Please tell me how.
Well, one time, I had them so bad that I couldn't stop. And then I sneezed and I didn't have them anymore.
Really? I guess it's worth a try. Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Ugh, you can't just pretend to sneeze. You need to sneeze for real.
I would, but I don't feel like sneezing.
You? I got it. Let me help.
Huh? Did it work?
Huh? I think that they're finally gone.
Let's get back to practicing.
Great!
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know
Briar, why are they back again?
What should I do now? The show's going to start soon.
Briar, just relax. Maybe your hiccups will just go away on their own. You'll be okay soon.
Right. Don't worry, Briar.
Don't worry, Briar.
I guess. What else can I do?
3, 4.
You guys can just do the show. I don't think I can sing.
Huh?
No, I'll just stand here, and I'll be cheering for you guys.
1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? Briar! Briar! I think I got it! Your hiccups all make a pattern. The time between them is always the same. Don't worry, I think I have a plan.
That sounds great. Let's all start rehearsing it.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. We want to welcome all of our parents here. And now Pine Tree Kindergarten presents to you If You're Happy and You Know It. Huh? And get ready, sing.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Huh? Thank you, everyone.
Wow, that was a really great show.
Great job.
That was amazing.
We actually did it.
Children, you were wonderful. You put together such a great performance.
It was all thanks to Briar's hiccup.
Oh? Briar had hiccups? I did.
Hey, Briar.
Huh?
I think your hiccups are gone.
Hey, you're right. I'm not hiccuping. Yeah! Yeah! This is great. Miss Olivia, how do we even get hiccups? Well, children, we usually get them when we eat too fast or too much. We all get hiccups sometimes. But if you get the hiccups, don't worry. Just drink some water and get some rest. And one more thing. When you have the hiccups, be careful of strenuous exercise. Yeah, I'll remember that.
Right.
Now it's time for everyone to go home.
Hooray!
Hello there, friends. Have you ever had hiccups? How did you find a way to get rid of them? Tell your mom and dad the next time you have them.